Hello, we have a big sale of the Chemex product on our website, cafeco, cafei.co. Some of them are almost 50% off, also including all the filters. So here I'm gonna show you how to use this filter for the 3-cup coffee maker. So it's half page, half circle like this. And you just fold it twice. Like this, and then you put it in the coffee maker. This is the OXO coffee grinder. We also have a very good deal on our website right now, limited time. So if you are looking for a automatic coffee grinder with different degrees, then this is my first recommendation. I will do 10 seconds. Okay, then you get this cup. Personally, I am a big fan of this 3-cup. It's perfect for 1 or 2 person. It's much smaller, and I can compare it with a 6-cup. So this is the 6. It's like double the size. Okay, this big. So this one is a little bit too much for just myself. Well, thank you for watching. Enjoy your coffee. Bye.